Hello, my name is Dr. James Fine, and I will be one of the speakers at the 3rd International Augma Symposium this year in Portugal. And I invite all of you to attend this wonderful weekend in Portugal, where we have a list of incredible speakers, all great experts in incorporation of bone cement into your daily practice. I will be addressing minimally invasive surgical therapy, incorporating and utilizing bone cements, or MistBC. And all our patients want to be treated well, but in the most minimally invasive way possible. And bone cement and Augma's approach to incorporating it into surgical procedures definitely will meet your patient's needs and your needs for a predictable outcome. So I invite all of you to attend these wonderful workshops and meet all our speakers. And I look forward to greeting each and every one of you in Portugal. Thank you.